So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make this mud coaster, which is very easy and simple to make it. So material you will need to make this mud coaster are hot glue gun, a button paper, a cup and a pencil. So let's get started. First take your butter paper, a mug and a pencil, and now trace the boundaries of the mug on the butter paper with the help of a pencil or a pen to make a circle. So now take a hot glue gun and trace the circle on the butter paper. Now you can also make the lines to make your circle mud coaster more beautiful. So now we have made this mud coaster, but now let it dry. And when I tried for the first time, I made this and it was good, but not too much good. So now I have decorated. I have colored here pink and blue color. So now here also you can decorate any color you like. So now I got this 2 nail polish. I will do this blue color on the outline of a circle, and I will do the pink color at the inside the strips of a coaster. So now let's check whether it is dry or not. So yeah, it is dry. So now it is dry. So now remove the coaster. So now you can see that I have removed this. So it will look like this when removing it. Now I will paint the blue color at the boundaries of the circle. here I will do the light pink color. So you can see this, I have made this. So now let it be dry. So now you can see that it has been dry. So now you can keep your mud coaster and a mug on it. You can also make the two and stick it lighters for your thick base. If you like this mud coaster and would love to see such more videos in future, then like and subscribe my channel.